Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. I am bringing you a Shein haul for spring, and I definitely did another closet clean out. I did off camera and I just went ballistic. I threw away more than half of my clothes. I either donated them or I sold them, put them on my Poshmark, which I will link in the description down below. I needed new pieces, especially for the new season, so I am bringing you the new Shein haul for spring 2022. What I try to do with my Shein pieces is try to look for items that I want to wear for a long time. I notice when I get into trends or things that aren't good for my personal body type, those are the first things to go. And so what I'm really trying to do is be very picky with the pieces that I keep. So the first thing is this top, actually, that I am wearing, and I will pop it up on the screen right here next to me of what it looks like on the model, and also me trying it on. Well, also this right here, I love it. I got this in a 1X. So I think this is so cute. It's so flowy. It's perfect for spring and summer. It is open in the middle with these two ties, but you can always wear a bralette or something underneath it if you don't feel comfortable. It does have like little polka dot detail on it, which I honestly didn't know it had when I looked at it in the picture. The color is perfect because I'm really trying to put more color into my wardrobe. I thought this was a great top to pick up for summer and spring. So the next item I have, it is this super cute dress. I'll go ahead and pop it up on the screen. It's a wrap dress. It's going to be very wrinkly because of the material. So it did fit me, but not the way that I wanted to. I need more space around my waist. The color of it is too close to my skin tone, or it kind of like washes me out. It's a cute dress. It's just not for me. I did get this in a 2X. Maybe if I sized up and got it in a different color, I would have kept it, because that's like my #1 thing I'm trying to find is dresses. It's super cute. It's just not for me. Again, I'm being super picky with the things that I'm getting, so I am going to return this one. The next item are these super cute pants. These are so cute, but when I tried them on, it's definitely a different material than what I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be more of like a breathable material. So what I've noticed that I tried different this time with Shein is that I didn't go straight to the Shein curve section. I went to the normal size girls section, and what I did is just filter out the sizing. So I put extra large 2X, and I think they did have the option of 3X. I did put those in when I went through all the categories, so that's how I searched for a few of these items. This one's from Emery Rose. I love that brand, so I got these in a 2X. They do have like this cute tie in the front. They have the spandexy material in the back. It's a wide leg striped pants. I thought it would be cute with like either a band tee or a white t-shirt that I could wear casually, or you can even dress this up and be like too. I wasn't in love. If I'm not in love with them, I'm not gonna get them, so I'm returning these as well. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up my neighbors. I don't know if you guys can hear that on the camera, but I have a family that lives upstairs, and all they do is stomp all day, ride their bikes in the apartment, and I'm just thinking, I'm gonna have children one day. I'm gonna have children one day. Anyway, I'm gonna go to an item that I'm definitely going to keep, which is this top. This I got on the just Shein normal sizes. I got this in an extra large. This is like a cold shoulder type shirt. I think it's so cute. You can definitely wear this in so many different ways, like professionally, casually. You can dress it up as well. So I'm definitely looking for like transitional, versatile pieces. What I would do is pair it with like either jean shorts and sandals, or like black jeans and heels for a night out. I think this is just like a perfect type of top for that situation, so this is definitely a keep. I love this top. I got these white pants and they look like white jeans on the website, and they are completely see-through, and you will definitely see my underwear in the try on video. I got this in a 3X because I don't know how to read reviews, or I don't know my sizes and anything. So these were definitely too big for me. I just hated them except for the wide leg, but just the overall idea is super cute, and I'm still on the search for wide leg white pants or jeans for the summer or spring, which I think are going to be a staple in my closet for sure, but it's just not going to be these, which makes me super sad. But yep, and that's going in the return pile. Next is another return. It's this black top right here. It's a wrap top, and I think I honestly got confused on how to wear this, and it does not look right on me no matter how much I try to maneuver it around or tie it in what I thought you're supposed to tie it in. I did get this in a 1X in Shein curve. It's just not that great and it didn't fit me right, so it's a return, unfortunately. We're moving on to this top. This top is so sophisticated. She's a wrap top. Yes, she is a vertical striped silhouette. She is so nice, so classy. I love her. She fits really nice. I'm hoping when I lose weight the next couple months, fingers crossed, that it's gonna fit in my shoulders a little nicer than what it does now, a little more loose. But I got this in the Shein side or like the normal size, and I got this in an extra large. What I'm thinking about wearing this with is like flowy black shorts, or you can wear this with jeans or black pants. You can wear this professional. There's a few ways that I know I'm going to be wearing it casually. I think it was just so cute. It was unique, but still my style, and that's the items that I'm looking for. The material is great, and I was so surprised when I put this on. It feels so good on the skin, so I definitely want to keep this. Next item is this bodysuit. So if I could return it, I probably would return this bodysuit, but just as like a disclaimer with Shein items, you can't return bodysuits, swimsuits, accessories, or any of that, which I understand because, you know, this part. But this bodysuit is actually really nice. The pattern's cute and it fits me really nice. I think it actually fits me perfect. I did get this in a 2X, so I think that's just like my size in bodysuits because I have a long torso, but it's just a little too trendy for me. I sound like a 40-year-old woman. It's too trendy. Definitely want to try this out because I have to, but I think it's so cute. I just don't see it in my closet for a long time, but I'm gonna try my best to try to keep it and try to style it as much as I can. If not, I'll try to give it to another home that would do that. Next top that I am keeping is this brown one. This one's so cute. It's so flattering. These wrap tops are just like God's gift to my chest. It's so cute. The color is a little more fall than spring, I have to say, and it's also long sleeve. I'm going to a few bachelorette parties in the near future, so I'm thinking I'm gonna wear this like as a night out outfit, or maybe like to a dinner with my boyfriend. I did get this in a 1X in Shein curve. Also, the material is amazing. I don't know what Shein does or what I'm exactly searching for, but again, the material is great on here. I definitely see myself wearing this a lot and keeping this in my closet for years to come, so definitely keeping that top. Next item is this dress. I wish I could pull off a dress like this. It's so cute and I wish I could keep it because it does fit me. It's just not flattering on my body. And also, I was tricked again with the polka dots. I don't know why they keep sneaking these polka dots into these items, but I guess it's just like an extra factor on it. I have no idea, but yes, it's so cute. I love the top of it. I just look like a strawberry cake, like cupcake in this, like the tears and everything. It's just not flattering on me at all. It's super thick, so it's not going to be see-through on you. It has lining and on the inside, so it's definitely good quality. And this just ain't it. Ooh, next top. So this one I was definitely debating on like if I should keep it or not, because it is so cute. It fits me so good. It is this top. It's very cropped, but it's so cute, and it does look good on my chest. It has like the puff sleeves that are super in right now, and it has this little like ruching detailing at the bottom to snitch stitch. I'm having a stroke. Snatch your waist right here, and I thought this would look super cute with pants and heels, or even sandals, and like chef kisses. I thought it would look so cute. I did get a few t-shirts from Shein, 100% cotton. I just never want to go back to anything else. It's so breathable, so cute. I'm not gonna try these ones on because they're just t-shirts. Do want to do another Shein order, and I think I'm gonna get a few more t-shirts. They're I think $10 each. I did get both of them in a 2X, so those are definitely must-haves for your closet. This dress is so cute. I'm just so in love with it. It's the perfect length. It fits me so well on my top. The bodice is just amazing. Just anything that if you think of spring and summer and the best dress to hug all your curves, this is it. The floral pattern is so cute. I love the ties for the straps because it's adjustable basically, and that's just, it helps my body because of my chest, and it's so amazing. I think the length is perfect. It's lined, so it's thick. The material is great, and I definitely see this that I'm going to wear for the next few seasons or the next few years. So yes, chef kisses on that. It's so cute. Next top is another keep. I'm definitely keeping this top. It is so cute. It's just a regular white peasant top that every girl needs in her closet. It is a little see-through. I would just wear pasties with it, but yeah, what is this, crochet or lace in the front. It's so cute. It does have like little details, and it has like a cute little drawstring detailing with tassels. I got this one in a 0X, and I just think it fits perfectly. It's gonna look super cute with like jeans and sandals. It's just a must-have for your closet if you're into peasant tops. Okay, next item is from Emery Rose. It's this cute olive green jumper. It didn't fit me quite right. It was a little hard to get over my butt. It did fit me. It's just, it was a little tight around my tummy, and I just looked like the Jolly Green Giant, so I just didn't think it flattered me whatsoever. And the color was great. The silhouette I thought was super cute on the model, but for me it just wasn't it. It does have like a little tie to tie around your waist, which I thought would be a little more flattering, but no, it just was not it. So she had to go. Oh, and I got this in a 2X. So this top was another like debate with myself. This top was super cute. I guess like on me it looked professional. The ruffles on the sleeves were super cute, and it was like a bit too small for me. Like I could size up and maybe it would look different. The material wasn't that breathable. Well, 100% polyester, so of course I don't know how to explain it. So I mean, it's just like a plain white t-shirt. It's cute. It has like a little keyhole in the back. Didn't do anything for me, so I just decided to return it. I of this top. Obviously, I have worn this top already. This I got from DAZY. It's so lightweight. It's just like, it's so versatile too. You can style this in so many different ways. It's just like white button up with a collared and roll up sleeves, or you could wear it rolled down as well. It has a pocket on one of the sides, and there's just so many ways to wear this. Like, you can wear unbuttoned, button up, tucked into your pants, untucked, and like you roll up the sleeves. You can wear it as a bathing suit cover, which is one of like the reasons why I wanted it. Is something that's, yes sir. Anyway, before we were rudely interrupted, breathable, great material. I can see that it's going to stay in my closet forever. This beautiful piece, she's bright, she's ready for spring. So this is a 2X from Shein Curve, a yellow striped jumper, and it's amazing. I love it so much, and it's definitely an acquired taste because of the color. I don't have anything yellow. Yellow's not really my color, and I'm so surprised that I like this piece. It fits me so well, like around the top of me, and the way that it fits me on the bottom, that just never happens. It never works out for me like that, and to have it like wide leg and so comfortable, it's amazing work, Shein. Thank you. It's amazing for spring and summer. You can wear this to so many different things, so I'm excited to add this to my closet. 2 more items, guys. Bear with me, we're almost done. So I went big on this top, and I do regret it. So it's this Peasant top. It's kind of like in a beigey yellow toned ivory color. I thought this was super cute in the picture on the model, but once I put it on me, I did get this in a 3X. I definitely think it was a little too big for me, just a little, and it just didn't fit me right. I wasn't in love, and I didn't see myself wearing it a lot. I don't know, I wasn't a big fan of it. Last but not least is this top. Oh, never mind, we already went over this top. That's it for my Shein haul, and I hope you guys like the items. I'm going to be listing them all below with the links, and if you guys are interested in any of the pieces, I hope you guys like the try on haul and the little interruption from Bear right here. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video. Bye guys.
Ooh,